Do you know that you can actually start making money here on YouTube even without a lot of subscribers, a lot of views, or even the normal way, which is the YouTube partnership program, which is monetization? Every single day, from every corner of the world, there are over 3 billion people typing into the YouTube search bar for things like how to train my dog, how to get my master's degree, how to do bookkeeping, how to dance, how to sing, how to be a good student. Yes, this is an entertainment platform, but do you know that it's the second largest search engine in the world? You can make your research, you're free. So now, if you want to generate an income off this platform from the very beginning, you need to use it that way. Now that we know that over 3 billion people are coming here on daily basis to search for something new, to learn something new, now the question is, what is the most effective or efficient way to generate income that is real and sustainable from the beginning without a lot of views or subscribers? Teach something. So now we're going to be looking into something, which is how to turn YouTube into financial freedom factory. But before we even step into that, I'm going to be showing you some basic things that you need to know, you need to understand before you can actually earn money this way. So there is actually two different ways that people approach this YouTube, and I'm going to be explaining it to you in details for you to be able to understand it, be confident, and make money this way. The first way people actually approach this YouTube, that is creators actually approach this YouTube, is what I call upload and hope, or upload and pray. Yeah, this is actually normal, because this way people just come up here consistently bringing out content, hoping and praying that, oh, some days it gives them a lot of views, subscribers, in order for them to get monetized. And for the ones that are actually monetized already, they are actually doing it in order for them to get a lot of AdSense and start making money from it. One problem with this is that it actually puts us in a position of chasing the algorithm. Yes, because now you are consistently uploading anyhow videos, trying to see a way if the algorithm will actually pick it and show it to your audience. Another bad thing is that you might end up making a whole lot of views and it will not have views at all, because you are actually chasing the algorithm instead of the algorithm chasing you, instead of you bringing out yourself, so that each time people come up here and type something on the search bar, your name will appear. Even if it's something that has a lower search rate, your name will still appear. So the best alternative way is to work with the natural YouTube strategy. If you remember, I talked about it earlier, which is appearing on search engine, that is making yourself to be visible on search engine. One thing is that we are not in control of how the algorithm shows off our content or who it serves it to exactly, and you know this can be really tough. Now, when you work with the natural YouTube strategies as a search engine and you put yourself in a position to be found by people who will be interested in paying you for your skill and knowledge, that puts you in a power position of allowing the algorithm to work for you instead. Now you are no longer working for the algorithm is the one working for you, and now you are the boss over the algorithm. So the strategy behind this is what exactly do you want to be known for on YouTube, and what is that one thing that you can actually talk with a high sense of credibility, experience, and skill that will actually want to make people to subscribe to you, and on the long run actually want to pay for your service and your skill. So now we're going to be talking about how to monetize your knowledge and actually sell it, and this will be leading to what I call algorithm domination. Yes, because I want you to actually understand all the basic things in order for you to get to the money aspect, in order for you to start making money from just sharing your knowledge off this platform. So when talking about algorithm domination, this actually helps in creating engines that fuels your growth, and it can only work out this way. So the first thing that should be on your mind is, who is interested in your content, or who are your content meant for? That is what leads us to what we call the ideal viewer. Yes, you know, Then after discovering that, the next thing you need to do is to put your mind in relevant content. Try to create content that are relevant. Try to stand on a particular thing and make sure that you are pursuing that thing. Now what you are trying to do is you're trying to teach the algorithm or let the algorithm know that this is what your channel is focused on, and you have made it clear from the kind of content you are creating. So now it's in the power of the algorithm to serve your content out using the traffic sources. And the traffic sources, as we all know, is divided into the browse, the suggested, and the search traffic. If you go to your YouTube analytics in your YouTube studio, you'll be able to understand this particular thing that I'm talking about. And this really matters when creating your YouTube channel. So if you are a small channel, if you are a new creator, you actually need to understand this algorithm denomination very very well in order for you to excel on YouTube. And that brings us to number one rule of monetization from day one. Like as I mentioned earlier on, people want to pay for your skill, but maybe you're probably thinking that how will they pay me when I'm putting up free content, or why would they even pay me? Calm down. Now let me tell you this thing. There is a whole lot of reasons, but honestly we are in the era, or should I say we are in the day and age where there is an information overload. So people are actually seeking out for experts. That is why I say you need to know what you are doing here. They are seeking out for people who know what they are talking about, who have a lot of credibility. So if you can position yourself and be found, as I just spoke about, there is a lot of trust built there, and you can only teach so much about YouTube content, the real transformation, and that is how you can actually monetize your knowledge. I hope you are understanding. Through YouTube, without the need of AdSense, that is without the need of getting that partnership program, which is monetization, or even this online affiliate marketing. So now this brings us to what we call the online course. Yes, this is the answer to all what we've been saying since, all what we've been discussing so far. Now, having the online course at mind, the first thing that should even come to your head, like the first ever thing you need to think of, is your ideal viewers. Yes, because they are the people that are actually going to turn to your customer on the long run and pay you for your service that you render. I hope you are understanding me, because now it's more like a business aspect. Your ideal viewer are the people that is going to turn to your customers, or should I say your online client, which you are going to be teaching the knowledge you have already. That is why I say before you even get to this stage, to this point, you need to understand the basics. The next thing you need to pay attention to is you need to come up with a transformation statement, which is ultimately the basics of what you are going to create your online course around. For example, I help ideal clients to go from zero to hero state, so that they can actually achieve the desired skill to get to hero state. Let us say you want to tutor, or you want to lecture people to know more about YouTube, from building their channel from crash to the higher level. So this is a good way you can actually put your statement, or you can actually diverse other means to make sure that your statement comes up so well and is resonating well with your audience. So this clearly shows that a small audience, like a very small audience, can actually create business for you. Let us say one view can actually give you one customer or one online client for your online programs, and this in turn sort out your waiting to get monetized. That is, even if you are not monetized yet, you can actually start making cool income off YouTube here. Even if you are in other niche, like other different niche, yes, entirely, you can also diverse this means. You can also use this means and also start making cool cash. A quick reminder, if you're new on YouTube and you need a coach, like you need guideline, you can go ahead and send a DM to the WhatsApp number to join our WhatsApp class. So So I'm going to be stopping today in order for this video not to be too long. And if you are in need of the part 2 of this particular post, drop it in the comment section, as I'll be coming up with it very soon. So if you find this content very helpful, kindly subscribe, hit that notification bell, and see you in my next video.